Number two, the last administration had a proposed rule for speed limiters, right?
So guess what? Sean Duffy has made a very, very important statement. And this is going to benefit all truck drivers. So on my YouTube subscription feed, I looked at Bonehead Truckers has posted a video. I was one of the very first people to watch it. I clicked on it. There's a few other things that Sean Duffy said in that video. But basically, no more speed limiters on semi-trucks. The best news ever.
Number two, the last administration had a proposed rule for speed limiters, right? They wanted to mandate that on the industry. Listen, I think it's a safety issue. We are going to roll speed limiters back, right? We're not going to move forward with that rule. Again, whether you can travel the speed of traffic or you need to pass someone, I think it's dangerous to have those speed limiters in place, so we're not going to move forward with that rule. We're going to kill it.
Yes, not my words, but Sean Duffy's words. He said he's going to kill the speed limiters. That is no longer going to be a rule, not a mandate, and it is completely unsafe to run speed limiters on semi-trucks. Flow of traffic and passing. Basically, an old truck like that, or my newer style truck, doesn't matter what engine you got in there, either a pre-2000s 60 series Detroit or a brand new Detroit DD15, guess what? All trucks now will no longer be required to have a speed limiter according to the speed limiter mandate that the Biden administration on FMCSA side was trying to propose. So no more speed limiters. Now companies can, like Swift and Walmart, can put speed limiters on their semi-trucks. It's called having a freedom, called free choice. You gotta have a free choice, okay? And that is absolutely great news that all these trucks that you see, if you're owner up or whatever, no longer will be forced to put a speed limiting device on your semi-truck. That changes everything. Roads are gonna be safer now because there's gonna be no slow semi-trucks in the way, in the left lane, and there's gonna be less road rages because of people who are not patient will actually pass a semi-truck, brake check them to cause an accident because they were upset that they were behind a speed-limited semi-truck. And also, there will be a lot of less rear-end collisions with the semi-truck and a lot less people passing on the shoulder and a lot less traffic, or the way it is right now, because with speed limiters, it would have been the other way around. The Biden administration was just a clown show joke, okay? It was a joke of what kind of dumb laws they were trying to input into the public, okay? This Trump administration, we got the right people. At first, people were worried that Sean Duffy is not the right person simply for the fact he was on the ATA side of trucking, but nope, he's for the truckers, because he literally said in the Bonehead Truckers video that they will be killing that mandate. Yes, Mother Trucker probably already posted another video about it, but Bonehead Truckers was the first YouTube channel to post about it. So if your truck is capable of doing 80 miles an hour and the speed limit says 80 or 85, you can do it legally. The same thing with 75 and 70. You're not limited to a stupid 55 proposed mile an hour speed limit like FMCSA was talking about. So now you can go as fast as you want, as long as you don't break the speed limit. Now, do I recommend going 80 miles in a loaded semi-truck? Absolutely not. But it is legal, and you can run 70 how you want. I normally just run 70 and keep it at it because that seems like the absolute most common flow of traffic in the whole United States. And now, transportation of cargo will not be slowed down. Owner-operators can have an advantage of delivering cargo first compared to the dumb mega carriers that were trying to help FMCSA implement this dumb speed limiter mandate. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 CDL Life. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.